Welcome back, everybody. Today, we're going to be taking a deep dive into adaptive business intelligence. And, you guys already know your way around a database and understand, the basics of traditional BI, so we can kind of jump right in.
Right.
Think of traditional BI as like a snapshot, helpful but static.
Yeah.
Now, imagine a system that not only analyzes past data, but anticipates what's coming next.
A&D suggests the best actions to take. That's the power of ABI.
Yeah, what's so fascinating about ABI is how it tackles real-world business problems that are anything but straightforward.
Right.
Imagine trying to schedule airline crews,
Oh, wow.
optimize power grids, or even figure out where to send thousands of used cars for the best prices at different auctions.
Oh, that's a good one.
These problems are incredibly complex with constantly changing variables.
Yeah, so traditional BI might give you a report on last month's sales, but ABI is about making smarter decisions right now in the thick of things.
Yeah.
That sounds incredibly valuable, but how does it actually work? So ABI combines three key elements: prediction, optimization, and adaptability.
Okay.
Think of it like a brilliant strategist constantly analyzing the situation, predicting what's next, and adapting their plan as things change.
Okay, let's break that down.
Sure.
First up, prediction.
So ABI uses historical data and trends to predict future outcomes.
Okay.
In our used car example, it could predict prices based on factors like mileage, color trends at specific auctions, even seasonal demand.
Interesting.
Think about how you might predict the price of mangoes during the summer.
Yeah.
You consider supply, demand, and maybe even the weather.
Right.
ABI does the same thing, but on a much larger scale with far more variables.
That makes sense. So it's not just about looking at what happened last year. It's about anticipating what might happen next week or even tomorrow.
Exactly.
But how accurate can these predictions be?
That depends on the methods used to build the prediction model.
Okay.
Just like a skilled chef chooses the right tools and techniques. ABI systems can use various methods like linear regression, decision trees, or even complex neural networks.
Wow.
Depending on the problem and the available data.
So it's about choosing the right tool for the job.
Yes.
A simple paring knife for a small task, or a heavy-duty mixer for something more complex.
Exactly.
But once we have a prediction, what's next?
Once the ABI system has a good grasp of what's likely to happen, it moves on to optimization.
Okay.
In our used car scenario, that means figuring out the best place to send each car to maximize profit.
Okay.
This means factoring in transportation costs, potential volume discounts, and a host of other constraints. It's about making the most of the situation given all the limitations.
It sounds like trying to solve a giant jigsaw puzzle with constantly shifting pieces.
It can be.
How does ABI handle all that complexity?
ABI uses sophisticated algorithms that explore a vast number of potential solutions,
Okay.
trying to find the best one.
Oh.
Imagine trying to plan a road trip. You consider distance, tolls, traffic, and maybe even scenic routes, right? ABI does something similar, but with thousands or even millions of variables, finding the most efficient and effective path forward.
This is fascinating. But the world of business is anything but static.
Right.
How does ABI keep up with constant change?
That's where adaptability comes in.
Right.
It's not enough to make a good prediction or find a good solution once the world changes, and ABI systems need to keep up.
Okay.
This means constantly learning from new data and adjusting predictions and optimizations.
Okay.
Think of it like a GPS system that reroutes you when there's traffic.
Yeah.
ABI constantly reevaluates the situation and suggests the best course of action based on the latest information.
So it's not about setting it and forgetting it. ABI is constantly learning and evolving.
Exactly.
This is truly groundbreaking stuff.
It is.
What's even more impressive is that ABI can work with multiple prediction or optimization models simultaneously.
That's right.
It's like having a team of experts with diverse viewpoints working together to find the best solutions. This helps reduce bias, catch tricky edge cases, and makes the system more robust overall.
Absolutely.
This is all really impressive stuff. I'm starting to see how ABI can be a game changer for businesses.
It definitely is, and this is just scratching the surface of what ABI can do.
Right.
As we gather more data and develop even more sophisticated algorithms, the potential applications and benefits of ABI will only continue to grow.
This has been a fantastic introduction to ABI. But before we get too carried away, let's take a step back and look at some real-world examples of how businesses are using ABI to solve their toughest challenges.
Absolutely. In the next part, we'll explore how ABI is being used in industries like healthcare, finance, and even e-commerce, helping businesses make smarter decisions, optimize their operations, and gain a competitive edge.
Don't go anywhere. We'll be back in just a moment to dive into those exciting real-world applications of ABI. And if you're finding this deep dive helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of data and technology.
Welcome back. I'm excited to delve into some real-world examples of ABI in action. Let's start with healthcare.
Okay, so how is ABI being used to improve patient care and outcomes? It seems like a field ripe for disruption.
You're absolutely right. Healthcare generates massive amounts of data, and ABI can help make sense of it all. Imagine a hospital using ABI to predict patient readmissions.
Oh, wow.
By analyzing factors like medical history, current diagnosis, and even social determinants of health, the system can identify patients at high risk of returning to the hospital soon after discharge.
So it's about being proactive and intervening early to prevent those readmissions.
Exactly.
But what happens once the system flags a high-risk patient? Does it just send an alert?
It's much more than just an alert. The ABI system can then suggest personalized interventions like connecting the patient with a home health nurse, scheduling follow-up appointments, or even ensuring they have access to transportation and social support services.
Wow.
It's about taking a holistic approach to patient care, not just treating the immediate medical condition.
That's incredible. So it's not just about crunching numbers, it's about using data to improve people's lives. Are there other examples of ABI making a difference in healthcare?
Absolutely. ABI is being used to personalize treatment plans, optimize hospital operations, even accelerate drug discovery, for example. Imagine a system that analyzes patient data, including their genetic makeup and lifestyle factors, to recommend the most effective medication and dosage. It's about moving away from a one-size-fits-all approach to treatment and tailoring it to the individual patient.
That's truly personalized medicine in action. It sounds like ABI is poised to revolutionize healthcare. But what about other industries? Let's talk about finance, an industry known for its data-driven decisions.
Finance is another great example where ABI is making waves. Think about fraud detection.
Okay.
Traditional systems might flag suspicious transactions after they've already occurred, but ABI can analyze patterns and anomalies in real time, stopping fraud before it even happens.
That's a game changer, especially in today's world of sophisticated financial crimes. It's like having a security guard who can anticipate the thief's next move.
Precisely. And ABI can also help financial institutions make smarter investment decisions. Imagine a system that analyzes market trends, economic indicators, and even news sentiment to recommend optimal investment strategies. It's about leveraging the power of data to make more informed and profitable investments.
So ABI can help investors stay ahead of the curve and navigate the complexities of the financial markets. It seems like every industry we discuss has a compelling use case for ABI. What about e-commerce, an industry that's already heavily data-driven?
E-commerce is another area where ABI is thriving. Think about personalized product recommendations.
Yeah?
You know how online retailers suggest products you might like based on your browsing history?
Uh-huh.
ABI takes this to the next level. It can analyze not just your past purchases, but also your current browsing behavior, social media activity, even real-time events like the weather, to suggest products that are truly relevant to you at that moment.
It's like having a personal shopper who knows your taste better than you do. Are there other examples of ABI in e-commerce?
Absolutely. ABI is being used to optimize pricing strategies, personalize marketing campaigns, even manage inventory levels more efficiently.
Right.
Imagine a system that predicts demand fluctuations based on factors like seasonality, promotions, and even competitor activity.
Right.
This allows retailers to stock the right products at the right time, minimizing waste and maximizing profits.
It's like having a crystal ball that shows you what customers will want before they even know it themselves. These real-world examples are truly impressive. It seems like ABI can be applied to almost any industry or business challenge.
That's the beauty of ABI. It's a versatile framework that can be adapted to a wide range of applications.
Yeah.
As we generate more data and develop more sophisticated algorithms,
Right.
the possibilities will only continue to expand.
This has been an eye-opening exploration of real-world ABI applications. But before we wrap up, I want to touch on one crucial aspect we haven't discussed in detail yet, the adaptability of ABI systems.
That's a great point. The real power of ABI lies in its ability to adapt to changing environments. It's not a static system. It's constantly learning and evolving, just like the businesses it serves in the next part. We'll dive deeper into the mechanisms of ABI adaptability and explore how these systems stay ahead of the curve in an ever-changing world.
Don't miss it. We'll be back in a moment to explore the fascinating world of ABI adaptability. And while we're taking a short break, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the world of data and technology. Welcome back to our deep dive into adaptive business intelligence. We've explored how ABI predicts the future, optimizes decisions, and delivers remarkable results in various industries. Now let's focus on its most impressive feature. Adaptability. What makes ABI truly stand out is its ability to learn and evolve, much like a chameleon adapting to its surroundings.
That's a great analogy. Remember those used car auctions?
Yeah.
Imagine the ABI system predicting high demand for red cars at a particular auction. But suddenly, due to a local festival, people prefer blue cars that week. A traditional BI system might be caught off guard, but ABI adapts.
So how does it know to switch from red to blue? Does someone have to reprogram the whole system?
Not at all. ABI continuously monitors incoming data. It might notice a surge in blue car sales, a drop in red car bids, or even social media buzz about the festival's color theme based on this new information. It recalibrates its predictions.
So it's constantly learning and adjusting its predictions based on real-time data. It's pretty impressive, but it's not just about predictions, right? ABI also adapts its optimization strategies.
Exactly. Let's say our ABI system had planned to send all the red cars to that particular auction, but now, sensing the shift in demand, it reroutes the blue cars, instead optimizing for the new situation. It's like having a logistics manager who can instantly adjust shipping routes based on real-time traffic conditions.
This adaptability seems crucial in today's fast-paced business world, where change is the only constant. Can you give us some more real-world examples of ABI's adaptability in action?
Absolutely. Think about an airline using ABI to manage crews. Scheduling a sudden snowstorm disrupts flights at a major hub. A traditional system might struggle to reschedule crews efficiently, but ABI adapts. It analyzes weather forecasts, crew availability, and passenger itineraries to find the best solution.
So it's not just reacting to the disruption, it's proactively finding solutions to minimize delays and keep passengers moving. What's fascinating is that it's doing all this complex analysis in real time.
Exactly. Another example is in the energy sector, where ABI is used to optimize power grids. Imagine a sudden surge in demand due to a heat wave. ABI can predict this surge based on weather data and adjust power distribution accordingly, preventing blackouts and ensuring a stable supply.
That's a fantastic example of how ABI not only improves efficiency, but also ensures reliability and resilience. It's clear that adaptability is what sets ABI apart from traditional BI systems.
ABI is not a static report. It's a dynamic system that learns, evolves, and helps businesses thrive in a constantly changing world.
This deep dive into adaptive business intelligence has been incredibly insightful. We've learned how it predicts, optimizes, and most importantly, adapts to navigate the complexities of today's business environment.
It's been my pleasure discussing this fascinating topic with you as we generate more data and develop even more sophisticated algorithms. The future of ABI is incredibly promising.
If you found this deep dive helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the world of data and technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the power of data.